like that, okay?
That's gonna be the first second of my videos. It's up, vloggers. Me and Juliana are going boating today. I don't know if we're going with friends yet, but we might. And I'm deciding to vlog it because Juliana's making me. We're gonna go pick up Chipotle and the boat battery. And that is the intro to this vlog. Yeah, take a bite. Rate it 10 out of 10. How is it? Too slow. Here's his bag of chips.
Chipotle, if you're watching this, I cut out my veganism for the day for you.
So give us a discount, sponsor me. It's probably just gonna be me and Juliana on the boat because we have no other friends. So if you want to be friends with us, comment down below. I shaved my legs for you. I also don't know why they're... Frankie's here.
Is that a vlog?
Yep. Finally, we got another friend.
Yeah, just pull out the plastic. Bye vlog, we're in the car. Bye vlog. Yeah, hold on.
Bye vlog.
Just put your feet 0.6 miles. Turn right on Michigan Street.
Anything to say to the camera? What a good vlog! What's up, boys and girls? Here with Frank and Juliana. Look at my hair. We just got off the tube. Juliana's dead. This is the aftermath. Oh my god, maybe I just have to get it wet then.
Let me show my aftermath.
Ugh. But we were safe, we didn't fall.
Put this in the vlog.
Muscle man Frankie pulling the boat. Oh! We finished. I literally didn't vlog while the boat was moving. More of a live in the moment type vibe. But Juliana did film some stuff on her phone. Frankie's just eating chips. Oh yeah. Let's see those muscles, Frank. Flex. Yeah. Hey, hey. Let's see that dumpy.
He's like dying.
Frankie said, I'm the captain now. Hey. It's so dark.
No way she said Jake's. Yeah.
We're home now. We already ate dinner. This vlog might suck because I literally did not film anything. But, oh well. Any last words?
Die. Just kidding. I had such a fun day today, and I'm so glad that Romeo called in sick to take us.
Bye guys, I'm leaving forever.
Yay.
Bergara tribe, hashtag.